I love smart arming. I call it the Let Mama Sleep feature. As a mom, sleep is really important to me. So if I happen to catch a break and get to be able to sleep in on a Saturday morning, nothing is worse than being woken up by a false alarm caused by one of the kids forgetting to disarm the system before they go out to play in the backyard.
My husband, Phil, neither of us ever had a security system growing up, and so it's not a very natural thing for us. Also, we come and go at different times of the day.
I had family come up and visit, and normally I wouldn't arm the system because the chances of them setting off a false alarm are significantly higher.
No more false alarms. The first child up can disarm the system by doing nothing more than simply walking down the stairs.
You can set it up one time and then just forget it. Ever since we've gotten smart arming, our house has been armed every single night versus before we had smart arming, we probably only armed our house once or twice ever.
When they ask, what do I need to do in the morning to make sure I don't set off the alarm, the answer is nothing.
Smart arming shortens my everyday to-do list by giving me one less thing to do in the morning and one less thing to do before bed, which are honestly the busiest times of day for me.